Let's take a look at how to embed another web page or a website into your existing SchoolWires site to expand the functionality of your teacher web page. We're going to try to get this done in under 3 minutes, and I think we can do it. So I'm going to go ahead and set the timer now. Let's see if we can do it. Go. All right, so I've already navigated in Site Manager to my teacher website. And what I want to do is I want to add a container page that I can put the code in to embed the page to my blog. So I've gone over here to my teacher page and I don't have anything here I can use. I'm going to click on New Page and I'm going to select Blank Page. I'm going to give the page a title and I'm going to save that. I'm going to then go into the page and I need to add the app to let me embed the code for my blog. So I'm going to click on Manage Apps, Add an App. I'm going to go down here to the Embed Code app, Create New. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to click Create. Once I've done that, I can see the app there, my Embed Code app, and I click I'm done. Now, once we've clicked I'm done, we're back to this page. I want to actually go in and add the code to my blog. I'm going to click on the blog app and it takes me to this page, and if you'll notice, it looks different than your normal web page editor. You don't have any of those tools. It just wants the code in there. So where do we go to get the code? Well, if you look, the w3schools.com has a lot of HTML codes that you can use, and the one we want in particular is called an iframe code. Now, you can go to w3schools.com and you can do a search for iframe, or you can use the shortened URL that we have, goo.gl/1qx and we'll put that on the screen. There are 3 parts to this code that I'm going to alter. I'm going to alter this part here where it says demo iframe, and I'm going to put in my URL for my blog. Width, I'm going to alter that so that it looks good on the SchoolWires page. In this case, I'm going to set it to 600. Height, I'm going to set it something proportional to that that'll look good. Even though my blog is much longer, I'll just have to scroll within the page. You'll see. Let's start first by copying this whole thing. I'm going to highlight it, copy. I'm going to go back to Site Manager and I'm going to paste that right in there. Now I'm going to go in and change the width and the height. Remember, I want the height to be 600. I'm sorry, the width to be 600, and I want the height to be something about 800. Play with it until you find something that looks good for you. The next thing I want to do is I want to grab my URL from my blog. I'm going to go back over here. Here's my blog. I'm going to copy, go back to Site Manager, and I'm going to replace this part right here with the link, the URL to my blog. You want to make sure you've got the http://. Once I've done that, we're getting a little over time here. I click Save. Now, let's test and see how this works. We've got the link, width, height all set up. Let's go back to my teacher page and see how it turned out. Click on my name, click on my blog, and there it loaded it up. That's how you do it. In just a hair over 3 minutes, you can embed a blog or another website into your SchoolWires page following these steps. I hope that helps.